What if your walls could speak Christmas this year? What if they didn't just hold paintings or shelves, but shimmered with handmade wreaths, cozy garlands, and glowing DIY art you crafted yourself? Picture this. You walk into your living room, and every wall tells its own story, one glowing, with fairy lights, another wrapped in rustic pine, and one full of your handmade ornaments. But here's the big question. How do you decorate your walls beautifully, without buying expensive decor or spending hours on complicated crafts? Today, we're diving deep into DIY Christmas wall decor ideas for 2025. Easy, affordable, and unbelievably festive ways to transform blank walls into cozy seasonal backdrops. Let's get started, because your walls deserve to celebrate too. Where should you start when creating DIY wall decor for Christmas? Every masterpiece begins with a plan, and your wall is your canvas. Before grabbing your glue gun or lights, stand back and visualize the vibe you want. Do you want a cozy rustic cabin look with warm pine garlands, burlap ribbons, and cinnamon hues? Or maybe a sleek Scandinavian minimalist theme, clean whites, wooden textures, and simple star motifs? Or go full Candyland whimsy, bright reds, golds, glitter, and cheerful ornaments. Once you've chosen your mood, plan your layout. Pick a feature wall, perhaps behind your sofa, near your tree, or in the hallway where everyone passes. Use that wall as the storytelling zone and build layers. Start with a base like garlands or string lights, then add wreaths, photos, or signs for depth. Pro tip: always step back after every few additions. Let your eyes guide what's missing. The beauty of DIY is flexibility. If this first idea got your creative wheels turning, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your favorite holiday DIY buddy. What are the trending wall decor ideas for Christmas 2025? In 2025, the biggest trend is eco-elegance. Sustainability meets luxury. We're seeing a huge shift toward natural, recyclable, and handmade elements. Some trending pieces include woven macrame hangings with ornaments and greenery woven in, shadowbox art, showcasing miniature Christmas scenes, paper art snowflakes, made from brown craft paper or book pages, wooden cutout words like joy or believe, painted matte white or gold, botanical frames filled with eucalyptus or dried oranges for that rustic aroma. These decor ideas combine modern simplicity with nostalgic warmth, making your walls feel cozy yet current. Which 2025 wall decor trend matches your home best? Rustic natural, clean minimalist, or bold and colorful? Tell me below. How can you decorate large blank walls easily? Large walls can feel intimidating, but they're actually a dream for dyers. Start by creating sections of focus. Divide your wall visually into 3 parts: top, middle, and bottom. You could hang a massive wreath or wooden star in the center, then frame it with strands of lights or mini garlands. Try creating a gallery wall with mixed elements: framed holiday quotes, family photos, and handmade art prints using wrapping paper. For added magic, hang floating shelves with candles, snow globes, or little DIY houses for a storybook touch. Don't forget lighting. Cascading fairy lights instantly make any wall look magazine-worthy. If you love creative wall transformations, check out my Christmas playlist. How do you make wall decor feel cozy instead of cluttered? The secret to a cozy yet elegant wall is balance and breathing space. Choose one main color palette, maybe gold and green for classic warmth, white and wood for a Nordic vibe, or red and copper for rich contrast. Mix textures instead of colors, wood, linen, greenery, metal, and twine. Arrange decor asymmetrically. This adds movement while keeping things natural. Use warm-toned lighting or LED candles to soften the space. And remember, leave negative space. A well-placed garland or wreath looks more luxurious when it has room to shine. If you love minimal yet magical Christmas design, subscribe. I'll show you how to make your home feel cozy, not crowded. What are some budget-friendly DIY ideas anyone can try? You don't need big money for big beauty. Start by shopping your own home. Old frames, leftover ribbons, and paper can become statement pieces. Try these ideas. Make 3D paper stars from cardboard or paper bags. Create mini wreaths from jar lids and twine. Use cloth scraps to make patchwork banners spelling Merry. Paint pine cones in white and gold, and hang them in clusters. Combine these with dollar store fairy lights or repurposed string. The effect will surprise you. The best part of DIY? Each creation feels one of a kind. If you love turning simple things into something magical, save this video to your Christmas playlist. You'll want to revisit these hacks later. This Christmas, let your walls be your creative playground. They can glow, shimmer, and tell stories of joy without breaking the bank. From simple paper crafts to glowing light displays, your handmade touches will fill every corner with warmth and wonder. Because true holiday decor isn't just about beauty, it's about belonging, creativity, and the joy of making something with love. So grab your glue gun, string lights, and imagination. It's time to bring Christmas to your walls in your own unique way. Because this year, your walls aren't just backgrounds, they're the heart of your holiday story.